In Warsaw, Poland, a light is shining. A light that is touching the life of a man who has been blind since he was 1 year old. Over the years, Warsaw has been repeatedly impacted by war and hatred. During the Second World War, approximately 85% of the buildings in the city were bombed to the ground. The resilience of the people here allowed this city to survive a long list of attacks. Today, Warsaw is a global city with more than 2 million people, many of whom are hungering for hope and salvation. Marian lives in Poland. He lost his sight at the age of 1. Marian used to attend church, but after his minister told him that the church had the power to change God's law, he left it for good. Many years later, however, his wife found a Bible study group and she fell in love with God's holy book.
My wife suggested that I go to this group and decide for myself if they are truly studying the Bible or not. I can walk around town with my stick, or cane, so I decided to get there by myself to the church. When I arrived, I became quite the sensation. A blind man, and secondly, who arrived there by himself.
Marian was warmly greeted by the Adventist church members. He made new friends, attended his first Adventist service, and later was invited to lunch and a Bible study. He enjoyed it all very much and quickly became part of the family.
And from that time on, every Sabbath we have attended this Adventist church with our children.
Marian, his wife, and children were baptized. Now Marian supports his newfound church as a Sabbath school superintendent.
As a Sabbath school superintendent, I use the Bible study guides that are available online, and whatever I need, I incorporate into my studies.
On a weekly basis, Marian listens to the Hope Sabbath School program as he prepares material for his teachers. This interactive lesson study is produced in the English language and translated by Hope Channel Poland for online streaming and delivery through YouTube.
I believe in Hope Channel because I know that the more ways we have to communicate with people, the better it is. I send links with information about the programs to my friends, and I email the links to every Sabbath school teacher that I know.
Navigating the website is not too difficult for Marian because he uses a special computer program to help him find these videos on the internet.
When you are blind, you don't click anything. You operate the computer from the keyboard, so you type in the address, and then with the up and down arrows, you go to the program of your choice as the computer reads each item to you.
Many people need someone who will be their eyes to help them see Jesus. Hope Channel Poland aims to captivate a growing audience through translated programs, but they face a challenge with limited space in the basement of the Polish Union Conference. The Hope Channel staff is praying for a TV studio with lights and cameras so that they can produce local content, contextualized for the multitudes who are hungry for light. Thank you for your support of Adventist Mission through the 13th Sabbath offering. This special offering continues to sponsor platforms for spreading hope to every nation and people.